Just I'm giving 30 seconds only. Okay. Any objects you can draw.
Yeah, I'm taking it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes, nice, right? Yes, a smiley face. Good. See all of these. I gave you these leaves. Did all of you draw same or different?
Different.
All they look like same or are different or same? Different. See? What is this shape? Square. Is this made with straight lines or curved lines? Yes, very good. What is this one?
Triangle.
This one also is made with
Straight
straight
lines.
lines. Yes, very good. This one?
Rectangle.
Straight lines or curved lines?
Straight lines.
All they opened or closed one? Closed. So, we use the word polynomials which are made with straight lines and closed ones. The shapes which are having straight lines and closed shapes are called polygons. Sorry. The shapes made with straight lines and also closed shapes are called polygons. See, is this one a polygon?
Yes.
Is this a polygon? It is open or closed? See here, outer lines are you visible or not? Open or closed? Open. So, polygon or not? Not polygon. This is what?
Polygon.
This one? This one? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This one?
Not all.
Why?
It has curved lines.
It has curved lines. Very good. This one?
Yes.
This one also?
Polygon.
This one?
Polygon.
What about circle?
Not polygon.
Circle is wide.
Formed by curved lines.
Though it is a closed one, but it has a curved line. So polygons are having straight lines and also closed shapes. Okay? So we'll use a ruler to measure the straight lines of the polygons. How to measure a polygon? How to measure a polygon? We have to keep a polygon at the 0 point, at the 0 centimeter of the ruler. Right? And next we have to count. We count the centimeters of the ruler and we have to take the end point of the centimeter. Okay? By this, in this way we can count the length of the straight lines of the polygons. Okay? In the same way we can use, so we can use ruler to draw polygons. For what about circle? We can use compass to draw a circle. What we use to draw a circle? Compass. Okay. I will tell you, is this a circle or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So, it is a closed and curved line, right? So, this is a circle. So, exactly middle point is called center. Exact middle point is called center. And from center to any point of the circle, this is called radius. Center to any point of the circle is called radius. And if we take points, if we join any 2 points of the circle, so that line is called chord. What we call that? Chord. So now I am going to join 2 points of the circle. Can we call them it also chord? Yes, I am joining it is 2 points of the circle. It is the biggest chord and it is going through the center. That's why I am giving another name to it, diameter. Diameter is the biggest chord. And if you observe, center to circle is radius, right? It is 2 radiuses are forming a diameter. So diameter equal to 2 into radius. I am denoting D for the diameter and R for the radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. In the same way, if you observe radius is half to diameter, right? So radius equal to diameter divided by 2 or D by 2. Okay. So all the straight lines all the shapes which are made with straight lines and closed, that are called polygons. Okay, which have no straight lines, that are not polygons. Is a circle polygon?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will show you how to draw a polygon. So we will use, what we use for drawing a polygon? Sorry, for drawing a circle. For drawing a polygon, what will you use?
Ruler.
Ruler. Okay. So for drawing a circle, we have to arrange the pencil first properly. Down tip or lid, we have to keep both are equally, pencil and also lid. Okay. And we have to tie the pencil. Next, after that, we have to arrange the length of the. We have to take the radius by using ruler. For example, I want to take 2 centimeters radius. I will keep the lid at the 0 centimeters on the scale. And pencil for 2 centimeter. So now I took measurement for 2 centimeter and we should not fold like this. We should fold only upper part of the compass only. Okay? And compass tip should not be moved from its place. After that, first we have to draw the circle. Okay? So like this you have to draw. So today's homework is take a measurement of 5 centimeters radius and draw a circle. Okay? So evolution. Identify and tick for a polygon. So which one, A or B? A. And is a circle polygon or not? Why? It is a curved one. And draw and color 3-sided, 4-sided polygons. Do you know 3-sided, 4-sided polygons? Define the top polygon. Okay? And every 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Centimeters radius. Okay? Thank you.